Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is good news about COMEDK 2025 that all the important dates, and related with application form, all the details are now available. So I will talk about all of these details, and this exam is called COMEDK UGET 2025, which is undergraduate entrance test. So that is what I am going to cover for engineering admission. And why it is important, because studying in Karnataka or Bangalore is dream of all the students across India, because Bangalore is Silicon Valley and offers a good number of job opportunities, and they have excellent college options available here. So there are total 150 plus engineering colleges which are affiliated to VTU or private universities which are taking admission through COMEDK exam, and total seats are expected to be more than 30,000. Last year it was around 27,000 seats. And good news is that this examination is being held across 200 plus exam centers across India. So you can basically give this from your hometown itself. And there are around 55 plus cities in North India where the centers are there, and across East India there are 40 plus cities where you can give exam. Similarly, in the West India there are 35 plus cities where COMEDK UGET exam is held, and similarly in South India 70 plus cities. So total 200 plus cities the exams are held, and this year's UGET 2025 exam date is Saturday 10th of May 2025. So that is the exam date, and registration for the exam will start from Monday, which is 3rd of February 2025 after 2 p.m. So I'll give the complete application form also as it comes and how to fill that application form. But you should also understand the complete calendar of events so that you don't miss on any of the dates. So as I mentioned, the exam application start date is 3rd of February to after 2 p.m. 17th February is when they will release the mock test online, and mock test is very important for you to start taking practice if you want to score good marks in COMEDK and get the best college. So February 25, Monday, the mock test is available, and I'll give the link at that point of time. 15th March is where the application end date. So last date for applying for COMEDK 2025 is 15th March 12 noon, right? And then 11th of April after 3 p.m. you will be able to edit field. For example, if you do any mistake in the form and all, right, so you need to edit important details, but I say that fill it correctly for the first time and don't do any mistake. But even if you do small mistakes, it can be completed or corrected between 11th of April to 14th of April. After that 30th of April, right, when is the test admission ticket, or which is called the admit card. TAT or admit card is the same thing. You will be able to download admit card directly online. There will be no communication in the postal form will be sent to students, right? And last day for downloading the admit card is 10th of May 2025. So between these two dates you can download your admit card. Next date is 10th of May, Saturday, when you have to give the exams for COMEDK and UniGOG 2025. And I will explain what is UniGOG also in later part. So after the exam is over, right, they will publish the provisional answer key. So date for publishing the answer key is 14th May 2025, 11 a.m. onwards. Then you can correct the number, you can check how many numbers of answers are correct, and they will upload the whole of your mark sheet what you have filled, right, so that you can see that you have what you filled and what was the correct answer. 16th May, Friday, this is the last date for raising objections or challenging the answer key provided by COMEDK authority. In that case, you can raise the questions or the answers which are not correct as you think, then they will take action on that. 21st May will be the date when they will actually release the final answer key. This will be the final answer key. After this, they are not going to entertain any other query regarding the wrong answers, right? And 24th May is the date where they will disclose the test score cards, basically your marks as well as your ranks. So I will cover different videos at different point of time covering all the parts. Now comes the important details which you also require is the fees details, right? So COMEDK, there are two exams, COMEDK UGET, and students can also give COMEDK and UniGOG. So I'll explain COMEDK UGET, or explain that it is available for application to BTech courses in Karnataka Engineering College. Fees will be 1950 plus convenience charge, approximately 2000 rupees you have to pay. And this syllabus stream is for the PCM, physics, chemistry, maths. Now also there is another exam which is called UniGOG. It is basically for the private universities across India. Large number of private universities in India also use the UniGOG score, right? And you don't have to give another exam. It is the same exam. You get two different scorecards. Basically, one is called COMEDK scorecard. Second is your UniGOG scorecard and the rank of UniGOG. With this UniGOG rank, you can apply for all the private universities across India. Some of them are in Karnataka, rest of them are outside Karnataka across India. So if you want to be considered for both of them, then you will have to pay 3200 plus convenience charge. Approximately 3300 rupees will include UniGOG plus COMEDK, both scorecards. Now another important part is the eligibility criteria, right? A lot of students want to know the qualifying exam is definitely PUC or 10 plus 2. It is based on that all the BE and BTech admissions will happen, right? And you can pass it from your CBSE, ICSE, or any state boards, right? And you should have taken the subjects which is physics, chemistry, maths with English as a compulsory subject, right? So general merit will be again based on the minimum aggregate marks of 45%. If you have got 45% in class 12, that is the minimum eligibility criteria. But there is some relaxation for the SC, ST and OBC candidates of Karnataka. So if you are Karnataka student, then your marks will be 40% eligibility for SC, ST and OBC candidates only. When considering for eligibility, they will look for physics and maths as a compulsory subject. Along with physics, maths, you could have written chemistry or biotechnology or biology or computer science or electronics as one of the optional subjects. So that is the criteria, right? And now about the test pattern. So there will be total 180 questions. 60 questions will be from physics, 60 questions from chemistry and 60 questions for maths, right? So total 180 questions are there. And I have already mentioned that there will be only one shift for the exam, and exam will be on 10th May 2025, that is on Saturday. This is the another part which regarding change request or editing of application. So if there is any mistake, the window will start from 11th April 2025 3 p.m. onwards to 14th April. So 3 days will be given for the changing of any application wrong filling. But I request you to do it very carefully in the first attempt so that there is no mistake. So that's all I have to update. And please do subscribe channel to get similar important updates across all the COMEDK details. Take care and